Welcome to The Explainer. I am absolutely pumped you're here today because honestly, we have hit a massive milestone. This is it, the culmination of all that sweat equity you put into modules 1 through 8. You've totally mastered design principles, color theory, typography, and video editing. So now we're setting the stage for the ultimate transformation. It's time to shift gears from being a student practicing individual tools to becoming a fully fledged professional graphic designer. We are diving into the Capstone project, building an entire unified brand package from absolute scratch.
Okay, let's quickly map out our journey. We'll start with the final challenge, jump into choosing your client, break down the 3 deliverables, lay out your 5-day roadmap, unlock the keys to success, and finally, ready, set, create.
All right, Section 1, the final challenge. Module 9, Capstone. Let's get right into it.
So huge congratulations on making it to Module 9. Look, in previous modules, things were pretty isolated, right? Step-by-step instructions, small exercises, focusing on just one single skill at a time. But this Capstone, it's the real deal. It is a true, real-world client simulation. You are stepping into completely open-ended creative problem-solving. You'll be seamlessly blending a logo, a social media presence, and a promo video into one cohesive project. And the best part? You choose the tools. You make the big decisions. It's all on you.
Now you might be thinking, why are we doing this? Well, this definitely isn't just another homework assignment. Oh no. This is a strategic portfolio builder. It's a real-world simulation, complete with actual milestones and deadlines. By the time we wrap this up, theory becomes practice. You're going to have a tangible, totally impressive showcase piece to slap on your freelance profile to prove to future clients that, hey, you can do the job. Honestly, it's the ultimate confidence booster.
Moving right along to Section 2, choosing your client. Pick your path.
Every great design project has to start with a client, right? And right now, you are completely in the driver's seat. Option A is inventing a fictional business. Think like a quirky coffee shop or a sleep tech startup. That gives you 100% creative freedom. But if you're craving an advanced challenge, look at options B and C. You can choose a real business or completely rebrand an existing one. Yeah, navigating actual client feedback and brand constraints can feel a little chaotic sometimes, but let me tell you, it looks incredibly impressive on a resume.
Once you lock in that client, it's time for the brand discovery phase. This checklist is your ultimate cheat sheet. Literally, before you even think about drawing a single line or opening up any software, you've got to nail down these answers. What's the target audience, the brand personality, the exact brand colors with their hex codes? Answering these specific questions up front is your North Star. It's going to guide literally every design decision you make for the rest of the project. So keep those answers close.
All right, Section 3, the 3 deliverables. Let's break down the components.
Okay, we know who we're designing for, so let's define the mission. Because real-world clients, they don't just ask for a logo in a vacuum. No way. They want a complete unified package. So you'll be delivering a primary logo along with 2 to 3 variations. Then you'll apply that exact brand identity to 3 to 5 social media graphics to really flex those layout design skills. And finally, you're going to bring the whole thing to life with a 30 to 60-second promotional video. Now listen to me closely here. This is a vital rule for the Capstone. Use what you know. Seriously, please do not panic and feel like you need to magically learn brand new, complicated software from scratch today. If you absolutely crushed it using Canva, CapCut, or other open source tools during the earlier modules, stick with them. Use them. The entire focus here is on your creative problem solving, not pulling your hair out fighting a new software interface. Which brings us to Section 4, your 5-day roadmap. Time to talk project milestones.
Okay, putting on my project manager hat for a second. The only way, and I mean the only way to conquer a massive project like this is by chunking it down into manageable milestones. Day 1, your entire focus is just the logo. That's it. Sketch 3 concepts, refine 1. Day 3 is all about taking that shiny new logo and applying it to your social media graphics. And day 5, that is completely dedicated to your promo video. The absolute magic here is in the sequence. Just tackle each milestone sequentially, one step at a time. And as part of that roadmap, you've got to deliver the goods like a true professional. That means using proper professional file formats. You'll need to export crisp PNGs or JPGs for your static graphics, a smooth 1080p MP4 for your video, and eventually you're going to package this whole shebang together into a neatly organized zip folder or drive link. Clean, professional, and ready to hand off.
Next up, Section 5, Keys to Capstone Success. Let's look at the evaluation criteria.
We've got the plan, but what does victory actually look like here? Well, above absolutely everything else, I have to emphasize brand consistency. Seriously, I want you to constantly be asking yourself, do my social media posts look like they belong to the exact same company as my logo? They have to. Beyond that, we're looking for technical quality, like clean edges and high resolution, plus true creativity that pushes way past basic templates, and of course, a highly professional presentation.
To put that into perspective, think of a unified brand kind of like a balanced structure. The logo isn't magically more important than the video, and the social media presence definitely isn't just some afterthought. These three components are equally weighted pillars, roughly a third each. They literally have to work harmoniously together to form one 100% complete brand experience. If one piece of the puzzle drops the ball, the entire structure suffers.
And finally, Section 6. Ready, set, create. The finish line.
Guys, this is it. We've talked strategy, we've talked timelines. Now let's talk about the massive rewards waiting for you at that finish line. Because you aren't just doing this for a grade. No way. You are going to walk away with a polished, portfolio-ready case study to attract real freelance clients. More importantly, you're gaining the genuine confidence of knowing that you can manage a complex, multi-deliverable project all on your own. You're proving it to yourself.
I want to leave you with this thought. You do not have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Seriously, do not let that blank canvas paralyze you. Don't sit around waiting for some lightning bolt of absolute perfection to strike before you begin. Just pick up a pencil, make a simple, messy sketch for day one, and just get that momentum going. Trust the process, and above all, trust the amazing skills you've built up to this point.
So the only real question left to answer is, are you ready to build your brand? You've got the tools, you've got the roadmap, and you've got the vision. What incredible story is your design going to tell the world? Go jump straight into day one and let's find out.